Namaste. Today we are going to study third chapter of Science and Technology Part 1, that is chemical reaction and equations. In this chapter we are going to study chemical reactions, what is chemical changes, how it is different from physical change, rules of writing chemical reactions, balancing a chemical equation, types of chemical reaction. So first, know about the chemical change. Different changes occurs around us in everyday life. The changes takes place in the substance are of two types mainly, physical and chemical. First, transformation of ice into water. Look, this ice cube is melted and converted into water. It is a physical change. Its chemical composition remains same. H2O molecule present in ice remains as it is in water. Then second, ripening of fruit. During ripening of fruit, sucrose or fructose sugars are formed in the carboxylic acids present in the rough fruit. When it is ripened, then carboxylic acids are converted into such fruit sugars. So it is a chemical change. Then milk turned into curd. This is a milk having lactose sugar. Then we add a curd into this milk. Then lactose sugar is converted into lactic acid. So it is also a chemical change. Evaporation of water. When we heat the water molecules released into the air. That water vapors released into the air have same composition like water, that is H2O. Only physical state is changed. Liquid water is converted into water vapors. Hence it is physical change. Then size reduction of naphtha balls. Naphtha balls kept in the cupboard of cloth slightly goes on reducing its size. It gets vaporized. So this change is also physical change. Wafers of naphtha are formed from the solid naphtha ball. Digestion of food in stomach. During the digestion, complex food is converted into simple water-soluble components. Starch is converted to glucose. Fats are converted to fatty acids alike. So it is a chemical change. Staining of Shabbat styles or carafa by lemon juice. When lemon juice is drawn on a tile, at that place we see the stains form due to the chemical actions of acids present in the lemon juice on this calcium carbonate. So it is chemical reaction. Breaking of a glass. When glass falls, it gets break into numerous pieces like this. There is no any new compound or substance is formed. Only a single piece of glass is break into two or more pieces. So this is also a physical change. Now the difference in between physical and chemical change. Physical change takes place due to change in the physical properties, and chemical change takes place due to the reaction taking place in the matter or substance. Often a physical change is reversible. That means physical change reverse. Chemical change is irreversible. If chemical change occurred in a substance, then original substance is not get easily, means it is irreversible. Then the composition of matter remains the same in physical change. But in a chemical change, composition of matter changes during a chemical change. हे पदार्थाचे जे रासायनिक संघटन आहे ते भौतिक बदलात कायम असते. तर रासायनिक बदलामध्ये ते बदलते. जसं पाण्याची वाफ होणे या भौतिक बदलात पाण्याचं रेणूसूत्र, पाण्याचा रेणू जो आहे H2, तो वाफेत आणि पाण्यामध्ये सारखाच आहे. म्हणजे रासायनिक संघटन बदललेले. पण पाण्याचं विद्युत अपघटन म्हणजे रासायनिक बदल जर झाला, विद्युत अपघटन केलं तर तयार झालेला हायड्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन वायू वेगवेगळे जे आहेत, यांचं रासायनिक संघटन, पाण्याचं रासायनिक संघटन हे वेगवेगळं आहे. Chemical reaction is a process in which some substances undergoes bond breaking and are transformed into a new substance by formation of new bonds. रासायनिक अभिक्रिया म्हणजे ज्या प्रक्रियेत पदार्थामधील रासायनिक बंध रेणूंमधील तुटतात, नव्याने अणूंची पुनर्जुळणी होऊन नवीन बंध तयार होतात व नवीन पदार्थ तयार होतात. अशा प्रक्रियेला रासायनिक अभिक्रिया म्हणतात. The substances taking part in chemical reactions are called reactants, whereas the substances formed as a result of chemical reaction by formation of new bonds are called products. अभिकारके आणि उत्पादके. रासायनिक अभिक्रियेत भाग घेणाऱ्या पदार्थांना अभिकारके असे म्हणतात, तर रासायनिक अभिक्रियेत तयार झालेल्या पदार्थांना उत्पादिते म्हणतात. Chemical reaction is represented by writing a chemical equation. Chemical equation, रासायनिक समीकरण. The representation of chemical reaction in a condensed form using chemical formula is called as chemical equation. एखाद्या रासायनिक अभिक्रियेचं रासायनिक सूत्र संज्ञा वापरून केलेले संक्षिप्त रूपातील लेखन म्हणजे रासायनिक समीकरण. रासायनिक समीकरण लिहिण्याच्या नियम. पहिला नियम, कोणत्याही रासायनिक समीकरणामध्ये अभिकारके नेहमी डाव्या बाजूस लिहावी आणि उत्पादिते समीकरणाच्या उजव्या बाजूस लिहावी. Reactants are written on the LHS, left-hand side, while the products on the RHS. An arrow heading toward the product is drawn in between them. Then second, if the reactants or products are two or more, write a plus sign in between them. Here two reactants are there. So plus sign is written in between them also here. Then third rule for writing, fourth rule for writing chemical equation. When heat is given from outside to bring about the reaction, it is indicated by a sign delta written above the arrow that indicates the direction of reaction, like this. This sign indicates heat is given for completion of this reaction. ज्या रासायनिक अभिक्रियेत आपल्याला उष्णता देणे गरजेचे असते, त्या अभिक्रियेच्या समीकरणात उष्णता, दिलेली उष्णता या चिन्हाने मधल्या बाणावर दाखवावी. If heat is released during the reaction between the aqueous solution of copper and zinc, the state is indicated as follows. जर अभिक्रियेमध्ये उष्णता निर्माण झाली तर ती अशी दाखवावी. प्रॉडक्टच्या साईडला प्लस हीट, ज्या बाजूला आपण उत्पादित तेल लिहितो, उत्पादित तेल लिहिल्यानंतर शेवटी अधिक उष्णता असा स्पष्ट उल्लेख अभिक्रियेत तयार झालेल्या उष्णतेचा करावा. It is necessary to fulfill certain conditions like a specific temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc. to bring about some reaction. काही रासायनिक अभिक्रिया होण्यासाठी विशिष्ट अटींची पूर्तता होणं गरजेचं असतं. जसं काही अभिक्रिया विशिष्ट तापमानाला घडून येतात, विशिष्ट वातावरणीय दाब असेल किंवा उत्प्रेरकाच्या सानिध्यातच घडतात. त्यासाठी या विशिष्ट अटींचा उल्लेख अभिक्रियेच्या समीकरणातील मधल्या बाणावर करावा. जसं या ठिकाणी वनस्पती तेलाचे हायड्रोजनेशन प्रक्रियेने वनस्पती तूप तयार करण्याची या विक्रिया व्हेजिटेबल ऑइल combines with hydrogen at 60 degrees Celsius temperature in the presence of catalyst nickel. It gets solidified and vanaspati ghee is formed. Balancing a chemical equation हा पार्ट आपण दुसऱ्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहू. थँक यू.